In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Fundamentals of TinyML course from Harvard, step by step, so you can enroll and start learning without confusion. This course is perfect if you're interested in machine learning, embedded systems, or AI on low-power devices, and it's offered directly through Harvard's official learning platform. I'll walk you through the entire process, from finding the course to enrolling and getting started. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software and course tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Harvard Learning website. You can do this by searching for Harvard Online Courses or Harvard TinyML directly in Google. Once you're on the Harvard website, look for the search bar, which is usually at the top of the page. In the search field, type Fundamentals of TinyML and press Enter. From the search results, carefully look for the course titled Fundamentals of TinyML. Make sure it's listing under Harvard or Harvard-affiliated platforms like Harvard Online or edX, so you know you're clicking on the official course page. Once you find it, click on the course title to open the full course details page. On this page, you'll see an overview of what the Fundamentals of TinyML course covers, including topics like deploying machine learning models on microcontrollers, working with real-world sensor data, and understanding how TinyML is used in practical applications. Take a moment to review the course description, duration, and prerequisites so you know what to expect. When you're ready to move forward, scroll down the page and look for the Enroll button. Click on Enroll to begin the registration process. At this stage, you'll be prompted to sign in or create an account using your email address. Fill in your personal details as requested, including your name and email. If the course requires payment for certification or full access, you'll be guided to the payment section. Enter your payment details, review everything carefully, and complete the transaction. Once your enrollment is confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation message or email with access details. After enrolling, go back to your dashboard on the Harvard Learning platform. From there, you can start the Fundamentals of TinyML course immediately. Click on the course, begin with the introductory module, and follow along with the video lessons and assignments at your own pace. That's it. You've successfully accessed and enrolled in the Fundamentals of TinyML course from Harvard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.